MiniMax M3 is one of the most interesting AI models released in 2026. It combines advanced coding, agentic capabilities, multimodal input, and a massive 1 million token context window. But is it actually worth using? Let's see. Intro. MiniMax M3 is the latest flagship model from MiniMax released in June 2026. It is designed for coding, reasoning, long-running AI tasks, and working with text, images, and video. Key features. The biggest feature is its 1 million token context window. This allows M3 to process extremely large amounts of information, making it useful for large code bases, long documents, and complex projects. It also uses MiniMax's Sparse Attention, or MSA, which is designed to make long context processing more efficient. Another major advantage is native multimodality. M3 can work with text, images, and video rather than being limited to text alone. For developers, coding is one of its strongest areas. MiniMax reports major improvements over M2, particularly for debugging, front-end and back-end development, and performance optimization. Performance. Performance is where M3 becomes particularly competitive. Independent evaluations put MiniMax M3 among the stronger frontier models, with an artificial analysis intelligence index score around 55 at launch. It also performed strongly across coding, reasoning, browsing, and agentic tasks. MiniMax also reports strong results on autonomous tasks, including long-running coding and computer use workflows. Is it worth it? So, should you use MiniMax M3? If you are a developer, researcher, or advanced AI user, M3 is definitely worth trying. Its combination of coding performance, multimodal capabilities, and 1 million token context makes it especially useful for complex workflows. For casual users who only need simple chat, writing, or basic questions, many other AI models can already handle those tasks very well. Verdict. Overall, MiniMax M3 is a powerful and versatile AI model in 2026. Its biggest strengths are long context processing, coding, agentic workflows, and multimodal understanding. If you need an AI model for serious complex tasks, MiniMax 3 is absolutely worth considering. If you found this review useful and helpful, please like the video, subscribe, and let us know down below in the comments whether you would try MiniMax M3 or not. Thanks for watching and goodbye.